friends, get ready for the vegan broccoli mushroom quiche that might just make you forget about eggs for good. This is the brunch dish that's not only wildly delicious, but also packed with superfoods to make you feel like a wellness superhero. And trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end for the secret tip that takes this quiche to the next level. All right, let's do this. We're starting with a flaky, buttery crust that's going to blow your mind. Then we're loading it up with broccoli and mushrooms, two powerhouse veggies that are about to change the game. In a bowl, mix our flour and salt. Cut in chilled butter until it looks like deliciously sandy crumbs. Add ice water slowly until it forms a ball. Roll it, place it in plastic wrap, and chill it. Now, let's talk about why these veggies are so special. Broccoli is loaded with compounds like sulforaphane that provide anti-inflammatory and potential anti-cancer benefits. And those baby Bella mushrooms, they're nutritious, low calorie, and offer immune boosting, heart healthy perks. This quiche is basically a wellness retreat, just baked. Now, we're gonna cut our florets, rinse, steam for 2 minutes, pat dry, boom, we're done. Now, we're gonna place that to the side. We are dicing up 3 cups of mushrooms. Heat 2 tablespoons of butter, smart balance, on medium-low. Add onions, garlic, mushrooms, about a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of pepper. Saute until soft and smelling like a 5-star brunch restaurant. All right, time to make that creamy custard-like filling that's going to take this quiche to the next level. We're talking a dreamy blend of just egg, dairy-free milk, and cream, plus a secret ingredient that gives it an unforgettable savory richness. Get ready to be seriously impressed. In a big bowl, we're gonna place 1 cup of just egg, 1 cup of soy milk, 1 cup of dairy-free heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of flour, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of nutmeg, black salt, and the egg replacer mix, which will be equivalent to 4 eggs. Make sure you make the egg replacer and place in a separate bowl. Mix well and let it sit for about 1 to 2 minutes so that it can thicken. Once it's thickened, you can add it to the creamy filling mixture. We're also gonna add 1/4 cup of our Parmesan vegan Daiya cheese. Place black salt is a mineral-rich, low-sodium alternative to table salt that aids digestion, reduces bloating, and helps manage blood pressure. Its high sulfur content promotes bile production, enhancing nutrition absorption and gut health. Okay, moment of truth. Time to assemble this masterpiece. We're talking flaky crust loaded with broccoli and mushrooms, and that creamy, luscious filling poured right over the top. Into the oven it goes for about 1.5 hours. Trust me, the wait is going to be worth it. And now for that tip that's going to make this quiche look like it came straight from a professional bakery. Right before serving, brush the crust edges with a thin layer of melted vegan butter or spread. That glossy golden finish is going to have everyone thinking you're a brunch superstar. Let's recap the nutrition. This quiche is packed with anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, immune boosting, and gut healthy superfoods. Honestly, this is the brunch that loves you back. If you learned something from this video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share with a friend who wants to level up their brunch game. Here at Come Back Vegan, we want you to have all the knowledge, all the recipes, and all the tips you need to be successful on your journey to a healthier you. Here's to your success.